So how do you submit a visa application to Canada for a student visa after receiving your PAL, your letter of acceptance, everything needed in order to submit your visa application? Let me guide you with the steps. So the first thing you want to do is head to Google and type GC key like this. Good, that's the step one. Just type GC key. Next process is just sign into your account. I will guide you, don't worry. Just sign into your IRCC secure account. Scroll down. You can take GC key, username and password, or you can just simply take this other option here, register an account. Anyone still works, so don't bother. It is still another option. Let it load a bit. I have a poor network, so let us manage the situation. Once you're here, just come to sign up an account. As you can see, they say terms and conditions. Just take accept, because no matter what, you will still read and you will still accept in order to create an IRCC account. Now, the first thing you want to do is they say enter a username. So I'm going to put my own username like this. For example, I could put Njuka 542321. This is my own username I've chosen. You can choose any username of your choice. So I've chosen this particular username and continue. That is my own username I have chosen. Like I said, I'll take continue. It's loading. You can choose anyone. Enter your password. So I could take something very simple like this. Okay, you can choose your own password of your choice like this, and mine is working. Remember, it has to be 18 to 16 characters, do not contain 3 consecutive characters. No valid characters, lowercase, uppercase is accepted, G accepted, password is matching. So I can now continue because it's actually matching. So I can save this anyways. Now select a recovery question. I can say okay, what is my first pet's name? I could put a goat. For it not to sound obvious, I could add a double T. I could even add a goat to be 3T like this. A memorable person, I could put my wife, for example, like this. Memorable person hint, I could put a woman like this. A date, I could put 1950 of January 1. You can put anything. It is a security or recovery question. And make sure that you screenshot this and keep it somewhere whenever you're done. Memorable person's date. Okay, hint. Okay, I could just put date of marriage, for example. Put something that nobody can guess, no matter what. So I will just screenshot this page for my. I'll just keep that as a backup or a record. That I just click continue. Now, once I'm here, I can now put in my email. Of course, I can put info at education page, and then I click continue like that. Very easy going. This is my username, and of course, this is my email I've used. So continue. They will send me a code for verification. So I am currently here now. They have sent me a code. Let me check out the code. The code is FBYDVF2L. Then I click continue. Just like that, we are going. Continue again. And here is my account. This is the very first step. I have successfully created my account. With this account now, I will be able to sign in. Okay, now let me continue. Click continue like this. Click continue like this. Let it load. As you can see here, it is loading. It's in progress. Step by step, we are proceeding. Guys, if you have been waiting patiently for a video like this, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also do share this video massively. Now, the next step is to set a two-factor authenticator. So I prefer using an email to set up mine because it's more easy with email. So I'll take terms and conditions. I accept like this. Then enter the email address info at this, and then I click continue. It's a very easy process, step by step. So they send a one-time passcode. I'm looking at my phone in order to receive the passcode. So here am I. The passcode is QDE5HLSV, and that is it. Now I can also now guys, when you're at this stage, make sure to also save this code. It will help you to access your visa application in case you have forgotten the password or whatsoever. So always save this code that you see here. It is called recovery code. Make sure to save them. Very, very important. Now, once you're done, click I have secured them, and then you continue. Like this, it is going to open the page. So this is continue. Today is June 14, by the way. So you are here, you're almost there, you're almost there, you're almost there. Guys, don't forget to share this video massively. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Now, in some cases, you experience something like this. And how do you go about it? You see, at the level where the account was supposed to open, you will return back to this particular page. Don't panic. I will show you how to go through the process. So what you have to do is just come back to the URL. Just put again GC key like this. It's very simple. Don't panic. Follow the process. Sign into your secure account. It's very easy. Follow me step by step. I'll guide you. Just scroll down. The machine is a bit slow. I don't know why. Maybe I don't know what is happening. But just be patient. Things okay. Follow me as I'm giving you the process. It's very easy. Just go through the same process from the beginning, and you will see it's on its own. As you can see in front of you, it has opened on its own. Then I just click accept. Once you're here, you'll be asked to key in your information. So I'll just put in names, for example, like this. As you already know, fill in your information, email address, like this. In which language do you want this service? You could either choose English or French. Choose any one that's best for you, and you're good to go. Click continue like this. It's a very simple process, guys. Very, very, very simple. Now you have some security questions to answer. Now you can set your own security question. I could start by asking, what is my best friend's name? For example, like this. And I could just put Joseph. I could ask again, security question is my lovely mother, for example. I can just put a woman. And I can add another N behind so that it doesn't seem obvious. Set any question of your choice and make sure you save them and memorize them. I can put Africa. I can put location like this as one, of course. I could also put again name of my husband like this, and I could put maybe America. Something that is very difficult, and I will save this page. I've screenshotted to save page, and then just click look at the response. Make sure you save a of these responses. I'll just click continue like that. Very easy as A, B, and C. Now we are proceeding to creating the account. Now the account has officially opened. Here is it. When you open it to look like. Okay, guys, this is how you're going to look like. Now, if you want to apply for your student visa, the first thing you have to do is come to apply to come to Canada. Like this. Click apply to come to Canada. You scroll down. This is the file that you're going to record. Visitor visa, student visa, or work permit. Click this one like this. Then just keep following the questionnaire. Keep going in front, and it's going to now a checklist like this.